Hi everyone, welcome back to Property Cloud. I am Roshni, and today with the Property Cloud we are going to discuss a large-scale luxury residential township which is located in North Bangalore. The name of this project is Puravankara Esplanade. In this video, we will cover the project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, lifestyle infrastructure, apartment configuration, pricing perspective, and the booking process. Starting with the project overview, Puravankara Esplanade is a premium residential township located in the KIADB Aerospace Park Corridor, one of the fastest growing area in North Bangalore. This project is spread across approximately 25 acres, and this development is designed to offer a modern township lifestyle with an expansive green spaces and high-rise residential towers. The project features total 8 iconic towers with a structure of basement plus ground plus 30 to 31st floors and over 2,600 luxury apartments in total. Around 80% of the project is dedicated to landscape open spaces, which is a major highlight. There is also a massive 1 lakh square feet grand clubhouse planned, making it a complete lifestyle destination. Overall, the design focuses on nature-centric living with a strong balance between open spaces and urban comfort. Now coming to the location and connectivity, the project is situated in KIADB Aerospace Park, which is rapidly emerging as a major employment and a technology hub. Kempegowda International Airport is just about 17 minutes away. Hebbal is around 44 minutes away, and Manyata Tech Park is approximately 51 minutes from here. With global companies like Boeing, Airbus and Shell already present in this corridor, the area is seeing strong job growth and infrastructure development. In terms of lifestyle amenities, the township will offer over 50 premium features designed to create a resort-style living experience. This includes temperature-controlled swimming pool, a state-of-the-art gym and fitness center, indoor and outdoor sport court, yoga deck, meditation zone, jogging and walking track, children play area and dedicated wellness zone. One of the biggest highlights is the 1 lakh square feet grand clubhouse, which will act as the central social and recreational hub for residents. Now looking at the apartment configuration, the project offers spacious layouts suited for modern families. The 2 BHK unit ranges from approximately 1010 to 1220 square feet, and the 3 BHK unit starts from about 1500 to 1800 square feet, and the 4 BHK duplex with a carpet area starting from approximately 2100 to 2400 square feet, and the indicative base price is around 11,800 rupees per square feet plus applicable taxes and statutory charges. If you would like to explore the brochure, latest pricing, payment plans or schedule a private site visit, you can check the link in the description. NRI clients from the US, UK, UAE, Europe and Singapore can also connect with us for virtual presentation. And if you enjoy the premium residential and commercial property videos, then don't forget to subscribe Property Cloud and press the bell icon. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services and much more.